Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur, and in this video I'm gonna show you how exactly you can trade in your phone without computer, and you're gonna be trading 24/7 using your phone, and you don't need computer. So when it comes to signals and stuff like that, including trading, everything is gonna be done in your phone. It doesn't matter whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, but right now if you want to trade, all you need is a smartphone, and this is exactly the tutorial for that. So without any further ado guys, let's jump right into it. So of course, you're gonna need a trading app, and currently I'm using CoinEx, and the link to CoinEx is gonna be in the description below as well. So of course, if you wanna trade, you're gonna need some funds in your wallet. So to do that, just create an account and then click deposit to deposit some funds, right? So let's say you wanna deposit some USDT Tether, you can just go ahead and select USDT Tether right there, and of course right here you have to select a network that you want to deposit with. So you can see that we have got a lot of networks right here, and the most popular one is BSC or BP20, Binance Smart Chain Network right here. It is very fast, and it doesn't give problems at all. So I suggest that you should use BC20 or Binance Smart Chain Network if you want to deposit some USDT Tether or anything, right? So once you select the network right there, you're gonna see an address, and then you're gonna use this address to make a deposit, right? So you can simply copy it like this and then make a deposit, and once you do that, you're gonna see your funds that you sent in your wallet, right? So your funds gonna appear right here in your spot wallet right here. So to do spot trading guys, you're gonna go to where it's written spot right here, okay? And then you're gonna be able to see your funds obviously gonna be located right here. And of course right here you've got order book, and these people in red, or these numbers in red, these are people that are willing to sell their Bitcoin, right? And these people in green, or these numbers in green, these are people that are willing to buy BTC. All right, so this thing is called an order book. And right here you've got a tab where you can be able to select a pair that you want to trade. So for example, let's say I want to trade Ethereum. I can simply click right here like this and select Ethereum right here, okay? And it's going to show me Ethereum pair and Ethereum price right here. And of course I can also be able to select any of these pairs down here and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So you also have a fast feature whereby you can just simply swap your coins right here. For example, let's say I've got some USDT right now, and I'm willing to swap this USDT to BTC, okay? So I'm gonna have to select right here. Let's say I have got some USDT. I'm gonna have to select USDT, and that's what I have. And I'm willing to swap this USDT to BTC, all right? So all I have to do is to simply put the amount of USDTs that I'm willing to swap with. So let's say I'm willing to swap 10 USD for BTC. In this case, you can see that I'm going to get this amount of BTC, and it's going to be an immediate transaction. All right, this is going to be a market order, and it's going to take from the order book. All right, so you can see my value balance and stuff like that. And if you're a P2P trader, then you can just go ahead to P2P section, and then make sure you verify your account and stuff like that, and you can be able to buy crypto from other people using different payment methods. All right, so let's go back to spot trading, and this is a spot trading dashboard in your phone. You know what I mean? So let's say I want to buy some BTC right now, or some Ethereum, because we have got Ethereum pair right here selected. So let's say I want to buy Ethereum right now. All I have to do is to choose whether I have to use a market order or a limit order. A market order is going to allow me to buy Ethereum at any price. So for example, let's say you can see that Ethereum currently is being traded at 2,660 US dollars, right? And with market order, it can allow me to buy Ethereum at 2,500. You know what I mean? So meaning that if Ethereum price go down to 2,500, I'm gonna be able to buy, or my order is gonna be executed at this price. You know what I mean? But with market order right here, the transaction is gonna be immediately, and I'm not gonna wait and stuff like that. I'm just gonna take from the market. You know what I mean? So let's say you want to buy cryptocurrency fast and you don't want to wait and stuff like that, and it's highly advised to use a market order because the transaction is going to be immediately and you're not going to wait and stuff like that. All you have to do is to put the amount of Ethereum that you're willing to buy. So in this case, you can see that I've got some USDT, which is 20 USD right here. All I have to do is to put the amount of USDT that I want to spend to buy Ethereum. And remember, we are using a market order, and that's why right here it says the best market price. So it's just gonna take at the best market price, which is this price right here. So let's say I want to spend here 10 USD. All I have to do is to type right here 10 USD like this and then click buy. And if I click buy, the transaction is gonna go through immediately, right? And you're not gonna wait and stuff like that. And this is very, very important. If you have got CET tokens, which is the native token for CoinEx, it means that you're gonna save a lot of money for transaction fees and stuff like that. Instead, you're gonna pay using CET token for transaction fees. You know what I mean? So let's say you do spot trading every day. It is highly advised to have some CET tokens in your wallet so that instead of using some USDT and stuff like that, you're just gonna pay using those tokens for transaction fees. Same thing applies to Binance, right? If you have got some BNB in your wallet, Binance can use those BNB for transaction fees and stuff like that. And by doing that, you're gonna pay less transaction fees and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So right here, we're just gonna buy from the market. We're not gonna wait and stuff like that. All I have to do is to click confirm, and just like this, you can see that we have got some Ethereum in our wallet, which is this amount right here. And of course, you have got available balance of 9 USD. Remember, we had 20 USD in our wallet. Now we have got 9 USD. All right, so let me show you how exactly you can also buy using a limit order. So all you have to do is to click where it's written market right here, or this tab right here, and choose limit. All right, so let's say you are a day trader and you want to buy within these cryptocurrencies at lower price. You know what I mean? Meaning that you're gonna have to wait until price drop or go down to a certain price, and then your order is gonna get executed. And then if the price goes high or if the price go up again, you're gonna sell at higher price and make profit. And I'm gonna show you how exactly you can get those signals, buy and sell signals. Later in this video. Just stick to this video. So right here, all I have to do is to put the price and be like, okay, if the price of Ethereum goes to 2,500, right? Let's view the chart right here. So you can see that this is a chart for Ethereum. And if the price of Ethereum goes down to 2,500, which is somewhere else right here, our order is going to get executed, and meaning that we're going to buy Ethereum at a lower price. And we're going to have to wait until Ethereum goes up again and then sell at a higher price. Crypto is all about buying low and selling high, and that's the aim of a business. We have to buy at a lower price when the prices are low, and then sell later at higher price when the prices are high. Or if you feel like the price is low, you can just use a market order and then you buy at a lower price and then wait until the price is high at a higher price and then sell. You know what I mean? So we can even put like 2,400 like this, okay? And if the price of Ethereum goes to 2,400, our order is going to get executed. And right here, I have to put the amount of Ethereum that I want to buy, or I can just put the amount or amounts in USDT. You know what I mean? So you can see that my current balance right here is 9.98 USDT. So let's just put like 9 like this, meaning that in this case, we're gonna get 0.00375 worth of Ethereum if the price of Ethereum goes down to 2,400. Or I can just swipe these, like let's say I want to spend 100% of my available balance that I have in my wallet. Or I can just swipe to 50% and be like, I want to spend 50% of my available balance that I have in my wallet. You know what I mean? So it's very, very simple like this. Spot trading is all about buying low and selling high and make profits. As you all know that cryptocurrencies are very volatile. And then all you have to do is to click this button where it's written buy Ethereum like this. and just click confirm. And if you have got some CET tokens in a wallet, you can turn it on like this, and it's gonna detect some some of those tokens for transaction fees and stuff like that. So in this case, I don't have any CET tokens, that's why it's off. And then all I have to do is to click confirm. So in this case, you can see that we have got an order in the order book. Our transaction didn't go through immediately because this order is waiting to be filled. If the price of Ethereum goes to 2,400, meaning that it has to go down, you can just view the chart by clicking right there, meaning that the price of Ethereum has to go down and hit 2,400, which is somewhere else right here, you know what I mean? So it has to go down and stuff like that. But other than that, if the price of Ethereum goes down to 2,400, is always going to get executed, and you're going to get some Ethereum in our wallet. And you can also view the Ethereum amount of Ethereum that we're going to get, which is this amount and stuff like that. And this is exactly how I grow my portfolio, guys. With spot trading, it's very simple and everyone can do it. You don't need to go over leverage and stuff like that and then lose your money if the market goes against you. But with spot trading, you are comfortable, and of course you can just wait. If things go wrong, you can just wait for the market to go to your direction and be able to make your profits, you know what I mean? So to get the signals for spot trading, I use Heavy Crypto Indicator, and I use, of course, TradingView for signals. So let's jump right into TradingView, and then I'm gonna show you how exactly I use Heavy Crypto Indicator and get these buy and sell signals. All right, so let's go to TradingView to see the signals, you know what I mean? So if you've been a subscriber to this channel, you already know that I use Heavy Crypto Indicator, and Heavy Crypto Indicator tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. When it's good time to buy, I get these buying signals and stuff like that. And when it's time to sell, I get these selling signals, you know what I mean? So I know that my chart is kind of ugly right now. I've got a lot of drawings and a lot going on, but I'm just gonna create up right now so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And of course, this is the heavy momentum based indicator. It has some buying and selling signals, you know what I mean? When you have momentum, you get these green signals, and when it's time to sell, you get these sell signals. And there's a lot going on this indicator. So this indicator is for futures trading, is not really for spot trading, but you can also use it on both spot trading and futures trading as well. So you don't need premium subscription for these indicators. I mean, you can just use them the way they are right now. So let me just clean up this so that we can get right into it. So I'm also going to remove this indicator because this is for futures trading, but you can also use this indicator for spot trading as well. But for now, let's remove it so that we can have a clean chart. You know what I mean? So you can see that with Heavy Crypto momentum based, with Heavy Crypto Indicator, you get this buy and sell signals. For example, right now, when it's time to sell, you know what I mean? You get the sell signal, and then you have to sell at higher price. When it's time to buy, you get a buy signal, and then meaning that it's time to buy, and you'll be buying at lower price. For example, let's say you get a buy signal right here, right? You buy right here, and then the price goes up, and then when it's time to sell, you get a sell signal right here, and then you sell at higher price. Remember, you bought at this price, and then you're gonna sell at this price at higher price, and you make profit, and then the price drops again. And if the price drops, you're gonna get another buy signal, and then you're gonna buy at lower price, and then the price is gonna go up, you know what I mean? And then when it's time to sell, you're gonna get another sell signal, and you're gonna sell at higher price, and that's how you make profit. And you're gonna be repeating the same pattern until you are tired and stuff like that. And that's how we make money in crypto. It's very simple. All I have to do is to follow these buy and sell signals, you know what I mean? So this is Ethereum chart right here. Ethereum chart, all I have to do is to apply a pair that I want to take a look at. For example, let's say I'm trading Bitcoin, right? I can just select Bitcoin right here in my phone, right? Bitcoin right here. Let's view Bitcoin chart. Cool, right? Now we're going to have Bitcoin chart right here. So same thing applies to Bitcoin. You know what I mean? When it's time to buy, like for example right here, you get a buy signal, you buy, and you wait until you get a sell signal, and when a sell signal comes, you sell at a higher price. You know what I mean? And you can also set an alert, and so that you can get notified when you get when you get a buy or a sell signal. You know what I mean? Your phone is gonna ring, it's time to buy or it's time to sell and stuff like that. So this is how we make money with spot trading, and you can do everything in your phone. You don't need a computer, and you don't need to go anywhere else and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to get Heavy Crypto Indicator, make sure you go to heavycryptouniversity.online, heavycryptouniversity.online, and right here you're gonna have to scroll down to where it's written Heavy Crypto Indicator right here, right? And you can see the price. All you have to do is to click start and add it to cart, and then fill up your details and stuff like that. And I mean, here it is, and then click proceed to checkout, and then fill up your details, your name and surname and stuff like that, and your email address. That's very important, so that you can receive the indicator straight to your email. So you can use this indicator on any exchange, not only on a CoinX and stuff like that. You can use it on Binance, Bybit, Luno, Vala, pretty much on all the exchanges, and it works also on forex markets and and everything, stocks and stuff like that. So my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can buy and sell and trade using your phone. It's very, very simple. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, whether you should continue with mobile versions or stuff like that, and if you want, and let me know if you guys want to trade using your phones. You know what I mean? So therefore, so video, guys, love and peace. Cheers.